Good day, everyone. We are students from Mindanao USTP na pala, University of Science and Technology of the Southern Philippines. So we're here to discuss about the circular coordinate system. So I am Alfred.
I am J. Lord. And I am Jaime.
And now I will discuss about the illustration on what is a coordinate circular system. So this is a circular coordinate system. This is the z-axis, the x-axis, and the y-axis. So rho is the point from here to up to this point. So given of this circular coordinate system is a three-dimensional version of a polar coordinates of an analytic geometry. So this is an example of circular coordinate system, and to explain more, kanina lugar siya is ikan na nga point, and then kanina point is the rho. Mura siya of hypotenuse bitaw nga pag mangitan pag ang hypotenuse is mura ka siya e squared plus b squared, mura siya imuhang c squared. So ang formula to get the rho is the square root of the x squared plus the y squared. So and this angle, or only siyang angle is the phi, and to get the phi is the y over x, which is the opposite over the adjacent. So like kanina ba siya na representation, nagwala taong triangle. So only siya ang y, only siya ang x, only siya ang phi. So to get the tangent of phi is the y over x, and also to get the angle of phi is equal to the inverse of the tan over the y over x. And next is the x, which is x is equal to the rho times the cos theta, like this. Another triangle din siya, triangle. Muli siya yung rho, muli siya yung x, muli siya y. To get the x is equal to the rho times cosine. So, kung sa physics pa is, perfecto siya kung kinsay doon na angle, ani na kung ano siya cosine. So, x is equal to cos theta, while the y is, layo naman siya sa kalinga angle. So, sine siya, rho sine theta. And z is equal to z. Next is to explain more the table, which is we'll explain with Jaime.
Hello guys, so this is the continuation of the report of Alfred. So this is the table that indicates the relationship between the x, y, z to the rho, phi, and z. That products of unit vectors in a cylindrical and Cartesian coordinate system. So to get cos phi, in order to get cos phi, you should multiply ax and a rho. And to get the sine phi, you will also multiply ay and a rho. Pariharap po siya dapat sa AC and AP to get 0. So, to get negative sine phi, in order to get the negative sine phi, multiply AX and A phi. And if you multiply AY and A phi, you will get cos phi. And AZ multiplied to A phi, you will get 0. So in order to get 0 here, multiply AZ and AX, and then AY and AC, and then AZ to AZ to get 1. So this is the table that shows the relationship between the AX, AY, AZ, A rho, A phi, and AZ. So to give example of this of this report, let us call Jaylor.
Good morning everyone, I am Jaylor Duta, and let's have some example to understand more about cylindrical coordinate system. This transform f is equals to 10ax minus 8ay plus 6az to cylindrical coordinates at point 10, negative 8, and 6. So first, let's multiply our function to a rho. So f sub a rho is equals to f is equals to a sub rho. So equals to 10 times ax times a rho minus 8ay times a rho plus 6az times a rho. So we will have 10 ax a phi cos ax a rho cos phi minus 8 ay a rho is equals to sine phi plus 6 az a rho is equals to 0. So 0 cancel 0. Next is we will multiply our function to a phi. So 10 times ax plus a phi minus 8 times ay a phi plus 6az a phi. So let's have 10 ax and a phi is equals to negative sine phi. Negative sine phi minus 8 ay a phi is equals to cosine phi. Cos phi plus 6 az a phi is equals to 0. So 0. So, and our last function, f sub z is equals to f sub z. So this z is just equal to f sub z because ax, az, 0, ay, az, 0, and az is equals to 1. So they are equal. And we will use our equation atong i-discuss kanina ni Miss Alfel na rho is equals to x squared plus y squared, and x is equals to cos phi rho cos phi. So we will come up with this. Cos phi is equals to x over rho, and y is equals to phi rho sin phi. So we will come up with this equation. First, we will get our rho. So rho is equals to 2 square root of 41, and our cos phi is equals to just 10 because we have a point here, 10 over 2 square root of 41, and our sin phi is negative 8 over 2 square root of 41. So we will have our function f is just equal to 10 times cos phi 10 over negative 2 over 2 square root of 41 minus 8 sin phi negative 8 over 2 square root of 41. And next is, this is our a rho. Next is our this a phi 10 times sin phi negative 10 negative 8 over 2 square root of 41 minus 8 cos phi 10 over 2 square root of 41. And this is our a phi. And last is our 6az. So if you will input this in our calculator, we will get, if we 10 times 10 over 2 square root of 41 minus 8 times negative 8 over 2 square root of 41, we will get 12.81. 12.81. And if we will input this in our calculator, negative 10 times negative 8 over 2 square root of 41 minus 8 times 10 over 2 square root of 41, we will get 0. And this is our last function. After this, we will gather all our functions. So we will get our final function is equals to 12.81 as what we get in our first term, a phi, a rho, plus 6az. So this is our final function. So this is a cylindrical coordinates. This is now a cylindrical coordinates. F is equals to 12.81 a rho plus 6az.